A sample of pitch blende is found to contain 50% uranium and 2.425% lead. Of this, lead only 93% was lead 206. If disintegration constant is 1.52 10 power minus 10 years inverse, how old could be the pitch blende deposit? So pitch blende contains 50% uranium and 2.425% lead, of which 93% was lead 206. They gave us disintegration constant of uranium, and we need to find out how old is a pitch blende. Now in uranium technique, the formula that is to be used is, so lambda is equal to 2.303 by T into log of, this will be N naught by Nt. Here N naught stands for initial number of moles of uranium here now. So N naught is initial number of moles of uranium present, and Nt is the number of moles of uranium left. Nt, number of moles of uranium left. Now the N naught, for N naught, we'll be taking it as number of moles of uranium plus number of moles of lead in the mixture, and then for Nt we'll take number of moles of uranium itself. Now they are given the percentage of uranium in pitch blende. So let total mass of uranium be 1 gram. Therefore, total mass of pitch blende be 1 gram. Therefore, uranium 50% of this, so 50% of 1. Now number of moles is equal to number of moles of uranium will be equal to 50 by 100 is the mass of the substance by molar mass, uranium 238. This comes out to be 2.1 10 to the power of minus 3 moles. So this many moles of uranium is there in the pitch blende deposit. Then regarding lead, amount of lead present is equal to 2.425%. So 1 into 2.425, this much percentage. Of this, lead 206 is only 93%. Therefore, amount of Pb 206 present will be equal to 93% of this. So again 93 by 100 into, it is 2.425 by 100 is the amount of lead that is present. Now number of moles of lead Pb is equal to dividing the entire thing by its molar mass. So 93 into 2.425 by 100 into 100 by 206. This value will be, you can take 1.09 into 10 to the power of minus 4 moles. Number of moles of lead that is present. Now N naught is equal to Nu plus N of Pb, which is equal to Nu is the value which you found out, 1.09, sorry, Nu is the previous value. This is Nu will be equal to 2.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 1.09 10 to the power of minus 4. So this will be 2.209 10 power minus 3. Initial number of moles of uranium that is present. Now, applying the formula, that's to say T is equal to 2.303 by lambda log of N0 by Nt, which is equal to 2.303 lambda. So lambda is given as 1.52 10 to the power of minus 10 into log of N0 is 2.209 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by Nt we have. So Nt is equal to 2.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Simplification, finally you are going to arrive at 3.27 into 10 to the power of 8. So many years is the answer for us now. So we found out the mass of uranium, we found out the mass of lead, and then we found out the N0, which is equal to number of moles of uranium plus number of moles of lead we found out. And then we substitute the general formula, T is equal to 2.303 by lambda into log of N0 by Nt. So answer 3.27 10 power 8. 3.27 10 to the power of 8 answer.